Hi, this is Janine, and I am just showing you the Victsing Ultrasonic Humidifier Diffuser. And I did already one video, but this video I wanted to show you how to use the buttons so that you can achieve different things. Let me shut this off for a minute here. There we go. Okay. You just press the button to turn it on. And you can choose from a low or a high setting by pressing it in. There's one beep. That shows it really coming out good and hard. Now I want to slow it down. I'll press it in. 2 beeps. That's going to slow it back down again. That's the button on the right. That also controls for 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, or off. The button on the left is what controls your colors. If you press it one time, it'll just keep cycling through the colors. You press it again, and you can start locking the colors, or you can shut it off. You don't have to have lights on if you don't want them. So I would like to put lights on, but I would like to stay right there. So that's just going to stay on that light color until I change it again or turn it off. So again, this is the Victsing Ultrasonic Oil Diffuser. This works with essential oils, and it, like I said in the other video that I did, it's really easy to set it up. Go look at the other video and you can see how to do it. And then this shows you how to run the buttons. So thank you and have a great day.